reported. Let's shift focus and talk about in Telangana. We are looking at a stray dog attack that has been reported on a 5-year-old boy who has sustained injuries. A 5-year-old boy has now suffered injuries on his face as he was attacked by a stray dog, and this has now been reported from Suraram. Hearing the child's screams, the local residents who rushed to the spot while he was playing outside and managed to chase the dog away. The injured boy, who was immediately shifted to a nearby hospital for treatment, and his condition is reported to be stable, but the entire incident has also been captured on CCTV footage. So this seems to be yet another stray dog attack incident that is now coming in from Telangana. This is a 5-year-old boy who was playing outside when he was attacked by a stray, and he's received injuries on his face. However, he's said to be in a stable condition now, as the people there hearing his screams had rushed to save the boy. Let's in the meantime get you the details. What we are getting to know that this attack that has also been captured on nearby CCTV as well, and the locals had to rush in to rescue the boy. He's been shifted to a hospital where he suffered injuries on his face. However, his condition is said to be stable, as this 5-year-old boy was playing outside when he was attacked by a stray dog. This has now been reported from Suraram in Telangana. Well, this seems to be another incident, Somit, that has now been reported of a stray dog attack.
Well, recently, in an incident, the child has almost, lost his life, and repeated incidents in several instances, in Umberpet incident and in Malkajgiri incident, in Sangareddy incident. Children have lost their lives or critically injured in stray dog attacks. And, even in this incident, the boy has received clear bleeding injuries on his face, and he was immediately shifted to the local hospital.
We'll come back to you, but let's quickly shift focus back to Chennai.